Hey, what's up, guys? Aiden here, and welcome back to another Reaper Reviews. Today's Reaper Reviews is on the Dandy animated motorcycle riding Phantom. But I am not doing this review alone. I got a couple of my friends here. You may know them as Samir Counterman, also known as the GGG on YouTube, and Nathan the Haunter. Say hi, guys.
Hey, what's up, Aiden Ball?
So yeah, I decided why not do a review on the Dandy motorcycle riding Phantom, as he is extremely rare to find, especially with the flag, and he's just one of the most underrated motorcycle riding characters, and one of the least known characters as well, as there's not too many videos of him on YouTube. Is there anything that you guys would want to say about him?
Go ahead, Nate.
I actually really like him a lot. I think he's awesome. I really want to find one. He has a sensor, which is so cool compared to the other motorcycle characters. I just really like him. If you have one for sale, let me and Sam know, please. What do you guys say, Sam, about this awesome motorcycle?
I honestly like him a lot. I absolutely adore the song, as the song is great already. And I would love to find either him or the other Phantom, which has a blue bandana, has a rib cage. And I would love to own either one. And if I got the box with it, that'd be even better. But honestly, it being broken, if I were to find one for cheap, broken, I wouldn't care because just the song is great. And yeah, that's all I got to say. And Aiden, hand over yours.
No, thank you.
Yeah, you will. Guys, Aiden's going to give me his, so don't worry. You'll see it on my channel very soon.
Don't count on that. Anyway, anyway, I got mine off of eBay for $25, and I think it was a bidding, and I was the only bidder for it. And
Guys, you stole it from me. Don't listen to him.
guys, we're just joking around. Anyway.
Yeah, this is what we do.
Exactly. But yeah, he is really cool, and mine is in really, really good shape. Yeah, mine doesn't have the box, but to be quite honest, yeah, it would be cool to have the box with it, but to be quite honest with you guys, I could care less about the box. As long as the item itself works, that's all that matters. And, like I said, mine has the original flag, which seems to be missing on a lot of them. Unlike some of the other Dandy motorcycle riders, the front headlight right there, it does light up and flash to the music. It's really cool. It sways side to side, and the Reaper bobs up and down, and it's really cool. The hands are made out of latex. The hands are latex. It's, yeah, and thankfully,
I thought it was a fabric because I never paid attention to it. But no, it has to be latex.
Yeah, the biker skeletons, werewolf, and Frankenstein's. Oh yeah, and the vampire. They all have fabric hands, but like the. Oh yeah, and I think the ghoul does as well. I'd had to check, but the Phantom and the purple-haired mohawk skeleton, and like Nate said, the purple bandana one. All of those.
I'll use latex.
Exactly. But the face is plastic. It is a plastic face. I know.
I thought it would have a rib cage like the blue bandana one. Because I found a video of that one, and it has a rib cage compared to that other one, the one you have, which I'm calling some BS because that is so stupid that they didn't give a rib cage to the one you have.
It actually does. It's just hidden behind the vest.
Bruh, I've never even seen it in any videos. I feel stupid now. And let me take it from you.
No.
Yeah, I give it a good home. Guys, if you think Aiden should give it to me, DM him.
Yeah, if you think Aiden should give it to me as well, DM him.
Oh, man.
If you think Aiden should give his entire collection to both me and Nate, DM him.
Alrighty.
In all seriousness,
Yeah. Yeah.
In all
Yeah.
seriousness, he's a really cool motorcycle character.
He
I'd love
is.
to find one day.
He is. And all joking aside and whatnot, I am very happy I have him. So enough of me talking. Let's get into his activation, and just be warned, he is very, very loud, which is a good thing. All right, here we go. But he is really, really cool. I guess since his activation wasn't that long, I guess we'll play him one more time. But oh my lord. Okay, so
Strawman seizure. Every motorcycle character does a Strawman seizure in a way. In case you guys didn't know by now.
yeah, no kidding. But anyways, guys, yeah, he is a really, really cool item, and I'm very glad to have him. Nate, Sam, is there any final thoughts you would like to say about it?
The silvers that won't sell them are instant Gillians and Galians.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
care. Fight me.
Yeah, they really are. So we really want one.
Yeah, he, like I said in the beginning, he is one of the rarest out of the whole motorcycle line. And to be honest, I wish Dan D would continue the line, but
And not make trash items.
exactly. But unfortunately, they stopped the
They
line.
remade the motorcycle characters, but there's bad news. They're garbage.
Yeah.
They're straight up garbage that deserves to burn.
Yeah, they're
There's a unicorn one on the motorcycle that has the witches born to be wild in its bones.
Like, it'd be cool if the unicorn actually had a good motorcycle, like the plastic ones they used as of back then. And it could stay fabric, because there are fabric motorcycle characters, if you didn't know. Like, the witch is fabric, there's a Santa Claus that's fabric. It'd be cool if they kept it like that, but gave it a plastic one so it actually does like the old ones. But no, they had to be instant Gillian and not do that, because stupid company.
yeah. I don't know what they were thinking, but
They're smoking the biggest crack rock.
probably, but yeah, guys, that pretty much does it for my review on the Dandy motorcycle riding Phantom. Go subscribe to my friend Nate, and go subscribe to my friend Sam. Their channels.
Subscribe to me right now. I'm producing music like clown music from SVI.
Yes. Nate is bringing.
Subscribe to me because you're going to see Aiden's entire collection on my channel.
Yeah, right. But
Guys, if you don't believe him, you'll see it in the next few days. But anyways, go and finish off Aiden.
but yeah, all jokes aside, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, go subscribe to Sam and Nate. Show their channel some love. And with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and bye.